Earlier, I got on today and I was pretty hot at Chibuzi and all the Chibuzis in the world who claim that immigrants built this country. Okay. It's starting to appear to me, and I said this earlier, but I was a little bit hot headed at the time, and I don't want to come off hot headed, but this really pissed me off, and it's still pissing me off. But it just appears to me that people like Chibuzi and the rest who believe immigrants built this country are doing this to support white supremacy. And the reason why I say this, and I know it sounds odd, but first of all, let me say that one of the reasons. The reason why they're saying this is because they want a certain narrative and they want to rebrand the country, right? They want to rebrand the country. But here's another reason, and this right here really they they are continuously promoting white supremacy, like they made a deal. I know you're like, how in the world is that? We're saying immigrants from this country, immigrants. Well, because Europeans were immigrants. All of white America descended from immigrants. See what I'm saying? White America had countries, full countries, prior to coming over here. Yeah, they're immigrants. They had full everything before coming over here, voluntarily. And they all did it to make a better life. See, same thing today's immigrants do, right? And to come over here just like the European immigrants did, and to not even give credit to the indigenous at all. You're doing the same exact thing. Same exact thing. Not and to lie and rewrite history. I'm telling you, when I look at them when they say this, and I'm not joking, when I look at them when they say this, I feel like I'm looking at the same people. I feel like I'm looking at the same lying behind spirit. When immigrants say exactly and do exactly what white Americans are doing. This is a land of immigrants. This is a land of immigrants. Built by immigrants, built by immigrants, built by immigrants. Knowing full well the indigenous and black America did the building. Full well. Full well. It's almost as if they planned it together. I know it's not, because there is no freaking way that you can come over into another country that was founded in 1776 and fully functioning before it even became a global superpower, fully functioning, and say that you built it when the stuff that was built in the United States of America created the cities and the towns that we live in today. Meaning that Black America built these freaking towns. Black America built the cities you live in today. To come over into the United States of America and say that immigrants did that. It just leads me to believe that you're saying white immigrants. And then it leads me to believe that you're supporting the enslavement of Black Americans, which leads me to believe that that is the reason for the vote, why the vote was so split. I could be wrong, but to get your behind in front of a microphone and say immigrants built this country, being a person who just got over here, the way I'm just too angry to even finish. I tried. I had to take the other video down. The way I'm so angry right now. I'm gonna have to stop this video. I'm gonna leave this one up. I'm gonna have to stop this video because I'm gonna end up saying some junk, and I'm not gonna apologize for it because my mama raised me, whatever the flip I say, I'm supposed to mean. Okay? And that's just it. I think before I speak. So I need to get up off this right now.